Preen introduces the enhanced AFV P Series, now upgraded with a whole new feature and 3 key performance improvements. AFV P Series continues to support a wide range of industries, including AI industry, aerospace, military, laboratory, motors and compressors, new energy, electric vehicles, and smart lighting. It's designed to handle diverse power testing needs with exceptional precision and reliability. The upgraded AFV P Series now features 3 key performance enhancements. First, the adjustable output voltage range is enhanced up to 350 VSC. Second, the output power rating is enlarged with the range from 800 VA to 6 kVA. Third, the new design significantly cuts the weight by 50%, which makes the installation or integration an easier take than before. In addition, the upgraded AFV P Series now includes a power factor correction function. PFC design has the following features: better energy efficiency, reduces reactive power, resulting in improved power efficiency and lower overall energy consumption. Stable current, limits peak input current, minimizes voltage drop and waveform distortion, and reduces line losses. Compact design, less current stress on internal components, which allows the design to be more compact and with lighter weight. Cost savings, cuts operating costs and lowers electricity bills by improving power factor compared to traditional AC power sources, increasing the power factor from 0.7 to 0.98 and improving efficiency from 0.8 to 0.85 can reduce apparent power by approximately 32.7%, resulting in significant energy savings. The new AFV P Series not only builds on its original strengths of high precision and versatile control, but also incorporates the latest upgrades, including power factor correction, a lighter design, and enhanced core performance, to deliver a more comprehensive and efficient power testing experience. Preen delivers better solutions for power testing. Thanks for watching. Visit preenpower.com to explore more solutions.